What's up, MrDavinci here. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you what seems to be the holy grail. What seems to be the gold mine of affiliate marketing. Now, normally on these topics, I've shown you ClickBank, I've shown you JVZoo. Don't mind that, that's just my dog running by. I've shown you Warrior Plus. But today, this website I'm going to show you has everything. It has CPA networks, as you can see right here. CPA networks. They have, let's go down. They have feature networks. They have affiliate marketing. They have just about everything that you need, and I'm going to give you a brief rundown of this website and how I feel that this can help you overall in your affiliate marketing journey. Now, I've done a research. I don't see too many people talking about this, so I feel like this would be something that'll give you an advantage to compare to what's in the marketplace. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this website is called AffPaying.com, and what they offer is affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, generally anything that you could think of. And if we take a look right over here, they have over 70,342 offers. So let's take a look over here, give you a brief rundown of what you can expect when you sign up for this. Now, I believe to sign up it is free, but just in case it isn't, I'll make a follow-up video with this. So as you can see here, they can show you on the side what's trending at the moment. They have Bitcoin, and it also shows you how much you'll get paid for each offer that you're promoting. So it gives you many different types of niches that you can try or test to see where it's ranking. And we'll do some testing up here in a minute just to show you about how it's trending and whatnot. So as you see, they got Bitcoin, they got something for Russia. If you've been following me this far, you see they got weight loss offer that's going for about $16 each sale. Weight control, desktop, Bitcoin. Alright, so I want to show you the other offers that they have over here. So let's just go by, and you can filter this, but let's go by networks. So as you can see, they got all these different partnerships that they've affiliated themselves with, which is good for us because it gives us many different offers, many different perspectives of how we can go about promoting different offers. And this will also help us build multiple sources of income, so we're not just relying on ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warriors Plus, which is nothing wrong with that at all. I suggest them three for anyone starting out, but this just gives more leverage and gives you more different ways to go about marketing. Over here we have the country. So let's say you don't live in the United States. Probably if you're watching this video you do, but just in case you come across this and you don't, you can choose the country below of where you live in, and you can see all the different offers that's available in your country. What I think is really cool, because it just gives everyone equal playing field regardless of where you live, regardless of your location. So for this purpose, we're going to sort this by United States, and as you can see, I don't know if you've seen, let's say it had 14,000. Make sure this is right. United States. It's probably not going to show me because I clicked on it. As you can see, all these different offers, it'll show you how many offers is available in your country. So back to United States, these are the main trending offers right here, which is Smart Fitness, which is going for about not bad, $52 a sale. So if we wanted to promote this, we'll just come over here. You can click on it, but I prefer to open a new tab just so I can keep the current tab that I'm on open in case I want to go back and look at something else. So what you're going to do here, let's scroll down. It's active, updated 15 hours ago. So the categories that we would be targeting for this will be people on mobile, responsive, e-commerce, retail, and fashion. So let's continue down to learn more. It's founded in 2010. This is the website to go. Net and bi-weekly, so it pays every 2 weeks on the 15th of the month. Description of it, this landing page. So this is another plus that I like. It shows you the countries that is geo-targeted for the best advertisement if you was to go about this offer of promoting it. Let's see. Banners and bridge page, promotion allowed, display, email, social, and search. So you could do email marketing, social media marketing, and search engine marketing, which is also known as SEM. Desktop is allowed, mobile devices allowed, carriers are allowed. So that's good signs. Let's continue on down. So yeah, this would be a good offer to try, but for the purpose of this video, we're not going to stop there. So now that we've seen this, we're going to come back over here, and now I want to show you what really caught my eye. So let's go over here. We're back to the home page. We're going to click on all categories. Now once this loads up, you're going to see what I was first talking about in the videos of the CPA networks, the affiliate marketing offers that they have, and all the programs that they're affiliated with. So as you can see, the first section is called newbie friendly. For max bounty and Peerfly, you actually want to need some type of experience in affiliate marketing or marketing in general. So I wouldn't recommend that you start off with those two, because they're going to do a background check and see how much you can sell and whatnot. But all these other ones I can't really speak for, because I never worked with them, except OG ads. OG's ad is good for content marketing. It's good to also help get the word out on social media for free organic traffic. So that one I can suggest, but all these others over here, haven't really heard of them. If you try these out, let me know in the comments. Then as we can scroll down, we have weekly payment, which pay you weekly for promoting these affiliate offers. So if you're looking to generate another type of income from affiliate marketing, but you don't want to wait 2 weeks, let alone you don't want to wait monthly, these are some of the programs where you can sign up for. ClickBooth is really good. I've heard of them. I'm thinking about trying them, but they'll pay you weekly based on how many sales you get. I'm pretty sure there's a certain percentage or target you have to make for it to come out, but it says it pays weekly. So hey, goodbye 9 to 5. As we scroll down, we have mobile affiliate networks, meaning that these offers are specifically designed for you to promote mobilely for people on their phone, which, let's be real, 90% of people in the world spends a good 8 to 10 hours a day on their phone. And these offers that they have here are specifically targeted for that. So if you know how to go about advertising or social media marketing on the platform that's best for your demographic and audience, these offers would be perfect for you. As we go down some more, we have bi-weekly payments. So these are payments that pay every 2 weeks if you work a job. I'm pretty sure that you know what that is, so I don't really need to go into too much details. But for those of you who don't know, bi-weekly means you get paid every 2 weeks. Normally it's around the 15th or the end of the month. So this is just as the same thing as working a job. And if you get enough offers, you can replace your income working a day job, or you can just have additional income on the side. We have content locking, which I'll explain more, but I'll make a separate video on OG ads personally in the near future. Incentive friendly, here's some more offers down here. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about this. PPD networks, then they also offer free training, and then like I said, for those of you who don't happen to live in the United States, they have international offers. I've already shown you how to go about seeing which offers is available for your country. They have CPC offers, which stands for cost per click or cost per conversion offers down here. Email submits, zip submits. Dating offers, for those of you in the dating niche, this would be a good place to come over here. Like I said, Peerfly and Max Bounty, you're going to want a background, but definitely try all these other ones over here. I'm pretty sure that you should be able to get into them. PayPal payments. Now I'm sure this is where most of y'all like to know. So any of these offers here, according based off AffPaying.com, all these that you get paid for each sale will go directly to your PayPal account. I know some of you thinking, well, shouldn't it automatically go to my PayPal account? Some affiliate networks prefer to send you checks. I know people still write checks, but they prefer to send you checks in the mail delivered to your house. But by going about this way, you're able to get payments in your PayPal account for each offer of the sale that you make on that specific affiliate link that you promote through the network that you choose. But this was just a brief rundown of the website. I will leave a link to this below in the description for you to check this out. If this is something that you tried before, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know your experience. Let me know where you currently are in your affiliate marketing journey. That'll give me a better idea for the content of the videos that I'm creating to help you guys out. Definitely appreciate you spending your time with me. Make sure to smash that like button. Definitely helps support the channel, helps the continuity, helps me grow, so I'm able to help and spread others. And I'm just here to help, give back, and share what I know. So that'll be all for this video. If you're not subscribed, hit the big red button, hit the notification bell so you're updated when I've released new videos. Currently on my 90-day YouTube challenge, so I'm uploading videos every day. I appreciate you for watching. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci, signing off. Until next video, stay hustling, keep making money, test, learn, fail, repeat, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, good afternoon, good night.